SLP is completely in lost, but my friends, holders are main question of holder, my friend. They are asking me true, what we will need to do, my friends, because all crypto market is very badly fits down. So what we will need to do in this time, so I will notify you to please. This is absolutely one of the unique and very good way, my friends, to be well. My friends feel good now and absolutely get appropriate now. So therefore, there one way, my friend, is that to definitely, if a holder are starting selling, so the coin will falls down. So therefore, the main question, my friend, of the holders to when and where, my friends, can they will move upwards. So I will tell you, but please, if you are new my channel, just only subscribe this channel, SLP holder. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So SLP in the start of month very badly falls down, because every coin was moving in the start of month very slowly, but this is one of the unique coin to they were fails down. So therefore I will notify you to please, if they were fails down, so this mean to this is just an only for short time fails down. Definitely after a short fails, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now, because every coin will moving in this circulation. So therefore I am so happy, and I hope in upcoming days this coin will completely go in the moon now. So my brother, if SLP will wake up, so that's clear, my friends, to all coin were starting upward, because all crypto market is convertible. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But please, my friend, in those days the coin were very badly falls down, and absolutely, my friend, the coin, some coin, my friends, for example Dogecoin, XRP, and Shiba Inu also, my friend, were falls down in those days. But Shiba Inu just one of the unique to they will move upward. So I will notify you to, I hope Kishu Inu is also one of the unique to they will move upward. Other, my friend, we were lost now. So my friends, please, if you want to my friends earn money in crypto and now, so just and only you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.